Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Instagram leads as HubSpot contacts. So I run a business where I want to add my Instagram leads as HubSpot CRM contacts. So here my objective is, as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram, I am going to create a contact in HubSpot CRM. So for building this integration between these two applications, I am going to use an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to build this integration or this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Instagram leads to the HubSpot CRM as a new contact. So right before you on my screen you can see I have integrated two applications, that is Instagram lead ads and HubSpot CRM, and I have integrated these both applications by using an automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So for creating this automation I am going to use Facebook account connected to my Instagram account. So here you can see this is my Facebook account, and on this Facebook account I am going to use this page, that is Digital Dynamics, and this Facebook account is connected with my Instagram. So now I'm going to show you how you can build this amazing automation for your own business. But before that we are going to test the automation which I have already built in. So for testing this automation, let's move on to the lead ad testing tool page, where it is asking me to select the page and the forms. So I have already shown you the page which I'm going to select, that is Digital Dynamics. So here you can see I'm getting my page, and afterwards it is asking me to select the form. So now I'm going to select my form as new lead ads form, and now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I am working on the test mode. Now let's delete our previous lead, and here you can see as I have clicked over this delete lead button, my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button for getting this new lead ads form, and here you can see I'm getting my form. So now let's fill this form and receive our new lead. So here I have filled this form providing first name demo, last name user, email demo user @pabblytudes.com, and the phone number also. Now we just have to click over this continue button, and afterwards we just have to click over the submit button for submitting our form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on to my HubSpot CRM to check whether a new contact is created over there or not. So here you can see this is my HubSpot CRM account where I'm landed to this contacts page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the contact which I have recently created named as demo user, and here I'm getting the same email address, that is demo@pabblytudes.com, and its phone number as well. So now you can see that I'm successfully receiving the contact over my HubSpot CRM. So now I'm going to show you how you can build this automation. So for building this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect, and for accessing the Pabbly Connect you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly which can be seen here, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing Pabbly Connect. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly Community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly Community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Connect again, and here I'm going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to integrate two applications, that is Instagram lead ads and HubSpot CRM, we will be using this Pabbly Connect app which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So now let's click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect which can be seen here, and on this dashboard page you can see these are the folders I have created, and if you want to create your own folder you simply have to click over this create new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want you can even provide the parent folder as well, and afterwards you just have to click over this create button and your folder will be created. And in this dashboard page I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builders. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here you will be getting this dialog box where you have to provide the workflow name. So now I'm going to provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name blog Instagram leads to HubSpot CRM, and afterwards I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now we just have to click over this create button, and here you can see I'm landed to my workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the application which is going to initiate a workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram leads. So for that you simply have to click over this add trigger button, and you will be getting this trigger setup page where I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads, which can be seen here, and afterwards I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to this Instagram lead ads connection page where if you already have an existing connection you can use this, that is select existing connection, and if you want to build a new connection you can simply select it, that is add new connection. And you have to remember one point, that for building any Instagram lead ads connection your Facebook account connected with Instagram must be logged in. Now we just have to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads, and from here you have to select the Facebook account which is connected with your Instagram account. So here I'm going to select my Facebook account, and here as I have selected it, my connection has been created successfully, and we are getting two options, that is for selecting the page and the lead gen form. So I have already shown you the page which I am going to select in my Facebook account, that is Digital Dynamics. So now let's select it over my Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select the page that is Digital Dynamics, which can be seen here, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the lead gen form. So here I'm going to select my form, that is new lead ads form, as I want to receive the data from only this particular form. And if you want to receive the data from all the forms created under this page, you can select all lead gen forms also, but here I'm going to select new lead ads form. And if you want to create your own form, you just have to go to the Facebook account, and on the sidebar you can see we are getting this option for Meta Business Suite, which you have to select, and you will be landed to this Meta Business Suite page where on the sidebar you will be getting this option of all tools which you have to select, and on this all tools page you will be getting this option for instant forms which you have to select, and you will be landed to this lead ads form page where you can create your own form. So as I have already created my form, now let's move on to my Pabbly Connect again, and now we just have to enable this toggle of simple response so that we can receive the response in a simple format. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So for providing the webhook response you have to move to my Meta for Developers page. So here you can see this is my Meta for Developers page where we are getting this option for resources, and on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select, and you will be landed to this developer tools page where you can see this option of lead ads RTO debug tool which you have to select, and as you will select the lead ads RTO debug tool you will be landed to this lead ad testing tool page where it is asking me to select the page and the form. So I have already shown you the page which I am going to select, that is Digital Dynamics. So now let's select it over here. So here I am getting this page that is Digital Dynamics which I have selected, and afterwards I am going to select my form, that is new lead ads form. Now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I am working on the test mode, but no worries, you can create many leads in your live mode. So now we just have to click over this preview form button as our lead has been deleted. So now let's select over here, and you will be getting this new lead ads form, and now again I am going to fill this form providing first name, last name, email and the phone number. So here I have provided the first name test, last name user, email testuser@pabblytunes.com and the phone number as well. Now we just have to click over this continue button, and afterwards again we have to click over this submit button for submitting our new lead ads form, and here you can see our form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving the response over there or not. And here you can see I am successfully receiving the response, that is response A, with all the details which I have recently filled over my new lead ads forms. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. Now let's select our action app over here. So for that we just have to click over this add new action step button, and we will be landed to this action setup page where I am going to select my action app as HubSpot CRM, as I am going to create a contact over there, and here as I have searched for it I am getting this application, that is HubSpot CRM, which I am going to select, and afterwards I am going to select my app event as create a contact. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to this HubSpot CRM connection page where we are getting two options, that is add new connection and select existing connections. So if you want to use your existing connection, you can select it, and if you want to build your new connection, you can simply click over this add new connection button, and here we are getting our connection name. Now we just have to click over this connect with HubSpot CRM, and here you have to select the account which you want to use. So here I'm going to select this second account, so I have selected it. Now we just have to click over this choose account button, and our connection has been created successfully. And here you can see as our connection has been created, we are getting some of the fields. So now I'm not going to enter these fields manually, as I'm going to perform mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So this is the real magic of our Pabbly Connect, which is automating your all work with just mapping. Now let's search for the field which we can map. So here you can see I'm getting this field, that is email. So I'm going to map it from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads, as this is my previous step. So the process of mapping is simple. You have to select the field which you want to map, and from here you can select the application where you are receiving the data. So here I'm going to select this Instagram lead ads, and afterwards I'm going to map my email, and afterwards we are getting this field, that is first name, which I'm going to map from the response. So here I have mapped my first name also. Now let's search for the another field. So here you can see I'm getting this field of last name which I'm going to map. So here I have mapped my last name as well, and afterwards I'm going to map my phone number also. So here I have mapped it as well, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new responses. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary. So now let's select it, and here you can see as I've clicked over the save and send test request button, I'm receiving a positive response which demonstrate that we might have built in the connection. So for checking it, let's move on to my HubSpot CRM account with me. So here you can see I'm landed to my HubSpot CRM account, where I'm on this page, that is contacts, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the contact which I have recently created, that is test user, and here I'm getting the same name, that is test user, and the email testuser@pabblytuts.com, and the phone number which I have recently entered over my Instagram lead ads. So now in this video you have seen how easily I have built in this integration without even a single word coding. So you can also build many more amazing automations and integrations by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations and integrations like this. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel, and if you want to practice this workflow, you can find its link in the description given below. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.